What if Antarctica melted tomorrow? It sounds impossible. But if all of Antarctica's ice suddenly disappeared, global sea levels could rise by about 58 meters. Entire coastlines would vanish. Cities like New York, Mumbai, Shanghai, London, and Sydney would face massive flooding. Millions of people would be forced to leave their homes. Weather patterns around the world could change, affecting food, fresh water, and wildlife. Thankfully, scientists say this cannot happen overnight, but Antarctica is already losing ice because of climate change. The choices we make today help decide tomorrow's Earth. Protect our only home.